everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 25th to the 28th of April 2022 on Monday. A young mother finds his way home after so many years away. Jose agrees to help Buchilo prove his innocence. A mother feels left out when her cap chooses another parent over her. On Tuesday, all faces surfaces. Buchilo and Jose find a way to hack into Rose's phone. Tenda realizes Ndiwanga's situation is serious on Wednesday. Suzanne, Buchilo and Jose realizes that Nomasonto and Rosemary are imposters. James gets a call from Meki to tell him Lisedi is missing. Ndiwabo and Tenda ruin the counseling session by pranking the counselor on Thursday. Why did Lisedi run away from home? Buchilo is frustrated that he cannot get through to Azwindini. Nomasonto is pictured that Buchilo might know something. Where did Ndiwabo perfect her art of bullying? Is Masindi finally waking up? Susan is in for a rude awakening. Has Azwindini finally discovered the truth about Nomasonto? Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.